How to send a message on YouTube. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be talking about sending a message on YouTube. So start by opening a web browser and then type youtube.com in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Enter that you're logged into your account, and next go to the channel of the person you want to message by clicking on their channel name. Once you click on their channel name, their main channel will appear. And from here, click on this one more link option. It's important to note that YouTube does not provide a direct messaging feature. Instead, you can contact them through their social media, their Instagram, their Twitter, and TikTok accounts, which may be linked. And you can click on these links and send a message through the platforms. But if you prefer to send an email, there might be an option to view their email address. So click on that. Then check this box to reveal the email address. Click on submit. And here is the email address of this person. And now you can send your message to this email and they will receive it. So that's the end of our tutorial on how to send a message on YouTube. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.